Mandatory registration and inspection of foreign food manufacturing facilities in India. Registration of foreign food manufacturing facilities. The Food Authority may from time to time, based on the risk, specify the categories of food products intended for export to India for further regulating control as specified in the regulation. Foreign food manufacturing facilities falling under such categories and desirous to export such article of food to India shall register with the Food Authority before exporting to India. Foreign food manufacturing facility either directly or through authorized representative may apply for registration along with documents and fee as specified by the Food Authority. Inspection of foreign food manufacturing facilities. Foreign food manufacturing facility may be inspected, if required in a manner as specified by Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, provided that no inspection shall be required in case of such categories of food that are covered under mandatory Bureau of Indian Standards Certification Mark Scheme and where the Bureau of Indian Standards Scheme of Inspection includes the requirements specified under Schedule 4 of the Food Safety and Standards, Licensing and Registration of Food Businesses, Regulations, 2011. Issuance of registration foreign food manufacturing facility found to be in compliance of Food Safety and Standards Act, rules and regulation made thereunder shall be registered as foreign food manufacturing facilities for a period of 2 years and their registration number shall be communicated. Suspension or cancellation of registration. If foreign food manufacturing facility or their food products intended for export to India are found not to be in compliance of Food Safety and Standards Act, rules and regulation made thereunder, their registration as foreign food manufacturing facilities shall be suspended or cancelled. However, Food Authority may review the same after giving opportunity for hearing or clarification, as deemed fit. To learn more, download the app Food Safety Standard. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube.